Haven't you ever thought how to change text case and combine the text in Microsoft Excel? So in this video series, we will be putting in front of you different tips and tricks that you can use in Microsoft Excel. As an introductory video, in this video I am introducing two main keywords that you can use in your day-to-day life and get excelled with Microsoft Excel. Let's start with the first keyword that I'm bringing in front of you is concatenate. What is concatenation? Concatenation is combining two words. In this worksheet that is shown here, you can see in the first column first name, second column last name, and the third column C, it is written full name. What is a full name? That is first name, a space in between, then a last name. So we need to concatenate the first name and the last name. So in Excel, to write the equation, first select the cell, put an equal to sign. So we have to write the keyword concat. So you can see concat, press tab, then the word will come here. So below that it is showing its syntax, that is text1, comma text2 and etc. So our first text is first name, that is A5. Now when we write a name, we need a space between first name and the second name. So whatever we write in an equation in Excel, we need to write it in double quotes. So put a comma, double quotes, we are writing the space in double quotes, put a comma, then the next one is the last name. Close the bracket, press enter, you can get the name. But haven't you noticed that in column C9, the second name is completely in uppercase? Is that we need? No. We need a name and a proper case. That is, the first letter of each word should be only capital. So the next keyword that I am going to introduce is case changing. We use the three keywords. The first one is upper, second one is lower, and third one is proper. So where we use these keywords, the upper is used to convert the word completely into uppercase, lower to completely into lowercase, and proper to completely convert into a proper case. Proper case is first name and the last name. When concatenated, the two words, the first letter will be capital letter. So we can add a column here and we can convert into the proper case because we have written the names here. So we need to convert it into proper case. So we are putting an equal to, write proper, press tab. We have to convert this full name into proper case, close the bracket, press enter. Since I am using a cell reference here, I think you know how to do it, right? Cell reference here, when I do it in the first cell, that is D5, the others will be simultaneously filled. In your spreadsheet, if it is not getting filled, once you have completed the first cell, that is D5, use this fill handle. Double tap the fill handle, then the complete things or the other names will be filled as such. So in the column D, you can see every name in proper case. So I'll show how to use the other two keywords. Let it be, the first one is uppercase. How we can convert the complete word into upper? Again, put the equal to sign, write upper. You can see, press tab. Now we have to convert the word Mary's completely into upper. So we select the B8 cell, close the bracket, press the enter. You can see Mary's is completely into uppercase. Now, how can to use the lower? Put an equal to sign, lower, press tab, then we are selecting the cell B9, close the bracket, press the enter. You can see Sweta completely in lowercase. This is how we are using the cases, or we are converting the case in Excel. Now, we can see a column E as email ID. So when we have to produce the email ID or official email ID for all the names. So here we have only 12 or 13 names, but if you are working with a business, there can be 100 or thousands of the name where we have to provide an official email ID. So let it be the email ID in this format, first name dot second name at thinkbig.com. Okay, for that, first we know every email IDs will be in smaller case. So first thing we need to write here is put an equal to, we have to write lower. Press tab, so lower is selected. So whatever we write after this will be in lower case. Now we have to concatenate, right? First name, second name, and we have to concatenate all the things. But we are not using the keyword concatenate. Now I am introducing a second method. We can use ampersand sign. Ampersand sign you can see in your number key 7 in your keyboard. Okay, now how to use the ampersand sign? First, we have to select the first name, put an ampersand sign. Okay, then I set the syntax as first name dot second name at think big. So put an ampersand. We have to, now next we want to put a dot. It's an extra character. So put it in double quotes, close the double quotes, then again put ampersand sign. Next we have to select last name, right? Then what we need, we have to put one more ampersand here. Okay. Now we have to put at thinkbig.com. Again an extra word, so we need to put it in double quotes at the rate thinkbig.com. Close the double quotes, close the bracket, press the enter key. You can see the official email ID of all the names. Again, if this reference is not working with your computer, use the fill handle. Double tap on the fill handle here, then you can get all the names in lowercase or in concatenated. So in this video you studied two keywords. One is concatenating. Another thing you have studied how to change the case of each word or each text cases, and how to use this as in a nested form. Don't you think it is so easy? Go have fun with Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be getting all the episodes where we are playing with Excel. And get updated. Stay safe. Thank you.